We've all heard the phrase, follow your passion. But what if passion alone isn't enough? What if the real secret to success isn't talent, luck, or even intelligence, but something far more durable? That's what psychologist Angela Duckworth explores in her groundbreaking book Grit. It's a deep dive into why some people persist and others quit, even when they have the same opportunities. And today, I'll show you how grit might just be the missing piece in your story. Angela's research started with a question: why do some people achieve extraordinary success while others, equally gifted, fall short? From West Point cadets to spelling bee finalists to CEOs and artists, one trait consistently predicted who would stick with it: grit. So what is grit? It's not just hard work. It's a blend of passion and perseverance. It's waking up with the same mission year after year, even when it's hard, even when you fail. Grit says, I'm not there yet, but I'm not stopping. Here's the powerful truth. Talent counts, but effort counts twice.
Why?
Because talent times effort equals skill. Skill times effort equals achievement. That's the formula. You can be naturally gifted, but without consistent effort, it doesn't matter. Grit closes the gap between where you are and where you want to be. Angela also reveals a powerful insight about passion. It's not about intensity, it's about consistency. Gritty people don't bounce from one obsession to another. They go deep. They show up over and over again, refining their craft. Their passion is steady, not explosive. And here's where it gets practical. Grit is not something you're just born with. It can be developed.
Here's how.
First, develop a fascination. Get curious. What lights you up? What problem do you feel called to solve? Second, practice with purpose. Don't just repeat what you already know. Stretch yourself. Get feedback. Improve. Third, connect to a deeper meaning. Gritty people often link their work to something larger than themselves. It's not just about success, it's about service. And finally, cultivate hope, not blind optimism, but the belief that your efforts will pay off, that progress is possible. Now, let's bring this home for creators, entrepreneurs, people like us. When you start a project, like this channel, for example, it's exciting at first. But then the views are low. The growth is slow. That's where most people quit. Grit says, stay the course. Because consistency compounds. And effort, even without perfection, builds something powerful. So when I launched the series, it wasn't just about sharing ideas. It was about modeling what grit looks like in real time. Showing up every day. Creating even when it's quiet. Trusting that the breakthrough always follows the boring stuff. So, here's what you take with you today. Talent is overrated. Effort is everything. Passion isn't a spark, it's a steady fire. Perseverance beats intensity. Grit is a skill, and it can be built. If this message hit home, hit that like button and subscribe for tomorrow's video, where we'll explore The War of Art, a book that exposes the hidden force that stops creators in their tracks and how to defeat it. And remember, this is more than a book review. It's a movement, a 30-day journey to build your personal system, one insight at a time.